welcome back to my corner. So for tonight's episode, we are going to cook a very easy way, the classic Italian pastas. Why I say easy? It's because we are going to use the sauce out from the can instead of making our own sauce. And the other ingredients that I need here, I already have this Italian meatballs. It's already frozen. And I have a sausage. And of course, the spaghetti. And for our seasonings, we need peppers, salt. We also need this, the Italian style herb, which is consist of, let me see at the back, this is basil, oregano, rosemary, sage, and thyme. And I need some of this basil, bay leaves, and onion, garlic, and I need some vegetable oil to saute this before I put the sauce. Alright guys, let's get it started and join me here at the Mais Kitchen. First, lulutuin muna natin ang ating Italian sausage. So, ano lang to siya? Tubig. So, we're going to boil this until it releases all the oil. Kasi, we do not want the oil in our pasta because it will become more oily. Okay, and then on the other side here, we're going to start to cook our sauce. Right, so we have a little bit of oil here. Tapos ilagay lang natin yung sibuyas. So kunti lang yung oil natin, no? Ready na ang ating sibuyas. Ngayon, we're going to add the garlic. Ganun lang siya. Isusute lang natin siya ng konti. Then, we're going to add our Heinz pasta sauce. So this is what they call very easy lang kasi na siya, luto na yung sauce. Hindi katulad ng yung really Italian way is lulutuin pa yung sauce in how many hours. So, yung kasi ng asawa ko, they are Italian. So, they cook their sauce for like 4 hours. Okay, so this one is good. So, we're going to add the seasonings. So, I have bay leaves. I'll just put like a little. Some basil, and we have the Italian herb, and of course our salt and pepper. Mix it all together. Perfect. Now, we are going to add our luto na to, yung Italian meatballs. next time I will show you how to make an Italian meatballs. So, lagyan lang natin dito. And then, we're going to make it to boil. Bring it to boil for like in 1 hour in a medium temperature. Alright, so while we're boiling that, and we're going to check our Italian sausage, and then we can cut it and put it straight to the sauce. Right? Alright, so our sauce is already cooked. As you can see here, there's a lot of oil already in there. So what we're going to do, we're going to slice this. Sometimes I just put the whole sausage into the pasta, but this time I will just slice this, and we're going to add it into our sauce. Okay. Just like this. This is also good to add into your lasagna, the Italian lasagna. Kasi Italiano kasi yung asawa ko. So, palagi ako nagluluto ng mga Italian foods dito sa bahay. Pero ano naman, gusto din naman niya ng mga Filipino foods. So, but ngayon ko lang po gumagawa ng sauce from the can. Kasi usually, gumagawa ako ng real Italian sauce. So, ito lang siya. Isa-slice lang natin. Okay. So, we're going to add all of this into our sauce. And they're going to cook the entire meat. Ganun lang kasi. So, pwede siya kung madalian lang, no? Mga siguro 30 minutes lang yung sauce. Pero, mas masarap kasi pag lulutuin mo siya ng matagal. Okay. Yun lang. Let's see here. So, kaso mga Italian, hindi sila naglalagay ng sugar. Minsan lang. Maglalagay sila ng sugar pag yung mga tomato puree, yung mga sobrang acid na sa mga sauce nila, doon ang time na maglalagay sila ng sugar. Okay, let's try. Perfect. So, lulutuin natin siya ng mga 1 hour. So, right now, as you can see, it is in medium temperature. So, we're going to get back later and have our pasta ready for our sauce.
Dreaming of a red guitar, the smell of flowers in the kitchen, a melody lingers where he was, and this is what the gods have given. I know that when he comes to me, baby, I know that through the miles in between, got to fly through the night, hear me running.
So, our sauce is already done. Look at that. Oh, wow. Okay, so our pasta is already ready. To serve it. So we're going to prepare here pasta. Lagyan na natin ng sauce. Look at that. So we have the meatballs and the Italian sausage. There you go, guys. Classic Italian sauce pasta that is easy way.